This is like hard. Really, really, really hard.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go thrifting. Is it recording?
Yeah, look at everything.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Point at that stuff. Just that. 1992. Now let's go look at the t-shirts. You can point it around this way.
Oh, we got a little bike here. It's My Little Pony. Dad, did you find anything yet?
This Transformer shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna get it yet.
Okay, you can see. I did this for a second. It is pretty fun. Okay. I don't know what to do. Did you find anything else?
Your shirt.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful today, young lady.
Find anything? Let me see. Maybe I could look over here again. I think I have that. Just like, yeah, just a different color and I think bigger. It's really cool. I'm gonna show them the unicorn. Oh, as a hard nose, I just noticed that. Huh. Hard nose. Dad, tell some stuff that you like in the little aisle.
I like this shirt.
Cool.
Cubs Red Sox shirt. There's some.
What does it even say?
It says Meowica instead of America.
And look at the glasses. It's like looking. Something little.
Meowica.
Oh yeah. Can I show your shirt that you're wearing?
Sure.
It's really cool. It has like the colors. It's really cool. All right, Dad. Let's see this. It has my age on it. It's really cool. Oh, it has eyebrows. I think the unicorn's a little bit sad. See? Look at that. The unicorn's sad. The unicorn is making the noise. Fine. What I like about it is it's like the little nostrils are like hearts, and so are the eyes. See, it has a little heart on it. It's all like purplish around the eyes too. It has like makeup on, like a makeup unicorn. There's one shoe that he found. I don't know if it comes with the other one or not. But there's more clothes. Can I show them more clothes?
You can show whatever you want.
Oh, well, this is pretty weird. It's rainbow though, so. Those are pretty cool. Okay. So, we got a lot of purples here. Can I show them your shoes? Your shoes are really cool, Dad.
Sure.
It's like bacon and eggs, so like eggs and bacon, like skeleton. Really cool, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm gonna show them my shoes. So it's like pretty. The dress. My face. I'm not gonna show my feet anymore. Oh, I mean, that's pretty cool.
Show this.
And what does it say in the background?
Nothing.
No, it says something.
It's vintage. Look at the date right here.
The dates. So they're just like a little like thing right here. What the heck? Let me walk again. Look at the camera. Look at it. I'm recording the camera. Back. This is probably good for 25-year-olds. It says 25 years. Oh, here's our unicorn once again, laying being sad. It's okay. Wait, does it have anything in its ear? Just a little price tag. So what do you think about all that you found so far? Good.
So I have to look it up.
Cool. Cool, yeah. They're squares. They're squares, right? Squares can be anything. Oh, say hi.
Hi. You are?
Say hi, Taylor. Oh, this is very cool. It has to be $100.
Babe, $180.
$180. I thought it was gonna be 100. Find Taylor. Oh, there you are, Taylor. Let's see what Taylor's looking at. So you're looking at pretty cool toys for babies. Yes, I see that. Yeah, look at the carriage. It's like full.
I would love that in my room.
Full. There's a Christmas tree. It's not really like, I want to say it, but Christmas anymore. Yeah. This is OMG for a second. These are good for 20-year-old people, right, Taylor? The shirt? It says 24. Oh yeah, so I like pausing. Just can't wait to watch this. Watch it. Once again. Yeah. It's
Oh, look at this.
it's so funny. Wait, let me see that. I just have to show it. Okay, so Roblox, the game. So it's so funny because it's like zoomed in. Like I love it. Oh, I'm scared of that thing. I mean, we had one at school. It was like a dancing person. Thanks for watching.